Hi, today we are seeing in this video the one stack is giving for the enduring 5 years period is the 1400% is return, 1440% returns giving. The stock name is the Jindal World. Jindal World in 5 years before the share price is the 20 rupees. 20 rupees to you are buying for the 1000 shares, your investment is the 20,000 rupees. You are invested 20,000 rupees in Jindal World shares in 5 years before. Now present share price is the Jindal World is the 296 rupees. 296 rupees to you are buying for the 1000 shares, multiplying for that shares 296 into multiplying for the 1000 shares, your investment is that becomes now 2,96,000 rupees. Imagine, see here, your investment amount is that 20,000 rupees in 5 years before on Jindal World shares, but present share price is down. But present share price is 296 rupees. 296 rupees to you are multiplying for the 1000 shares, it becomes for the 2,96,000 rupees. You are getting for the returns in almost for the your investment amount. You are getting for the more than 30 times returns. 30 times returns. See here, same amount you are invested in other sector. This much of returns is to get for the difficult, because your investment amount here you are not work for that money. Just you are sleeping. That's also that money is earning. That money is also making. That money is also growing. But in your investment in other sector, this money you have to work for that. But here not like that in share market. Just you have to invest and hold for the stocks. So here just invested in the 20,000 rupees, you are getting for the 2,96,000 rupees. See here you are invested in 2 lakh, you are getting for the returns in after 5 years 29,60,000 rupees. Imagine 29,60,000 rupees you are getting the returns. This much of returns is to get for the very difficult, because 13 times returns in 5 years during period is the your investment same amount in other sector. This much of returns to get for the very difficult. So here here for that amount in the end of the period is giving for the big returns. So that's why you have that the stock market is similar for the business. How is that business is doing? How is the business is giving for the at end of the time is the big returns. The same thing in the share market also giving for the good is giving for the big returns at the end of the time. So here to make money in the share market, the one thing is important, patience. You have to patience. You will holding for the stocks in just invest in the small proportion of money, but holding for the long time. How much time you are holding for the stocks, and you have to wait for the patience, because the business is to right time to come. The business is to waiting for the right time to develop and to acquire for the large customer, to acquire for the large customers, to occupy for the network, the market capitalization, big market capitalization, and to get for the big returns. To have to wait for the right time. Every business is not developed for in one day. It's happened not in 6 months. It's not happened in 1 year. It takes for the time. So it is every business is the long term. It takes for the time. So invest in the stocks and hold for the stocks in long time. Do 5 to 10 years hold for the long terms and get for the big returns, and then you also become rich in your life, and you lead for the financial freedom of life. So that's why Rakesh Jinjwala and Ramesh Damani and Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch and Charlie Munger, these people are they are holding for the stocks. They are holding for the stocks for the long time, like 10 to 20 years, 30 years. They are holding for the stocks. That's why they are rich today. So you also hold for the stocks long time, and so this is the power of the stock market, because that the business is to get for the big returns, it takes for the more time. So we have to wait for the time, we have to hold for the long time. So that's why patience is important. Patience, everything is to happen for the patience to consistency. These bunch of patience, consistency, and hard work. You have these things, you will achieve for anything. So that's it. And in front of it is also more returns giving stocks. More videos are coming for in this channel. Do subscribe for this channel, and thanks for watching this video. That's it.